Hi guys, so you are someone who wants to earn money online, and on a regular basis you see ads or posts on internet like on YouTube or Facebook, Instagram, or any website. Like you can earn money online quickly. You can make money through whatever means very quickly. Like within 30 days you can earn 1 lakh rupees, or within like this much time you can get 1 crore rupees, etc. So there's a lot of bullshit which is happening. Like many people are claiming that way. Coaches, gurus, and random people are claiming that way. But in reality, the reality is not the same. Reality is very, very different. So being in this earning money online thing from 2011, and I changed my career path totally. I can understand, and I exactly know what it takes to actually earn money online. So would like to tell you exactly the practical way to earn money online, and not trying to hype or glamorize things, because reality is not so easy. Like whatever route you take, you need to do the hard work, etc. But it is possible to earn money online. So this series we called stop bullshit. The stop bullshit, we only want to give real genuine practical advice about earning money online. So I'll be regularly doing videos on this same thing. So if you are like now, if you are someone who wants to earn money online, who are starting with this, then you can subscribe to my channel so that you'll be receiving regular information about this. So now, coming to today's thing, we want to talk. Every episode we'll be talking about different ways of earning money online. Today we'll talk about blogging. How is it possible to earn money through blogging? What it takes. So will you be fit for blogging or not, etc. And how practically you can do it. So first thing, you can't get rich quick through blogging. It takes some time and effort to become a blogger who is able to make money. So the most important things you need to understand before you want to start a blog is you must be good at writing. You need to enjoy the process of writing. Then, because if you don't enjoy the process of writing, there is no fun in starting a blog. Then you need to be able to read a lot or consume information, so that you're learning consistently, so that you can also share information which is valuable. Because if you don't have enough knowledge to share with someone, there's no point you write something. You write any basic stuff and expect someone to actually read your blogs and they want to follow you, etc. It doesn't happen. So ensure that you read and write, both should be there. Second thing is you need to be waiting for at least 1 year till you make some money. Third thing is you have to put at least 15 hours a week uh, to write articles or blogs. So it's very important that you need to be consistent about writing blogs. So you need to spend that 15 hours a week at least. And finally, you need to be learning how to create content which is SEO friendly. So you need to learn SEO, search engine optimization, in order to get good traffic to your blog. So that is very, very important. So you need to understand that as well. And then apart from this, once you are able to set this thing, you're able to write articles on a consistent basis. Once you start getting good traffic, at least 100 page views per day or something, then yeah, then things start kicking up. Like once you have traffic, you can monetize it, you can earn money from it. So what are the most popular ways of earning money through blogging? So one is like you display ads on your blog. It can be ads from Google or maybe other publishers. So they will be displaying ads on your blog, on your articles, and they will pay you for every click or every impression the ad gets. So that way you can earn money. You can also sell ads directly without a third party or a middleman. So you can actually sell ads directly by negotiating with brands and all, once you have enough popularity and all. So it's all possible when you have a proper niche and all, then it's easier. So we will talk about the niche and all those things later, because I want to keep this video to be very simple. Now, one more way of earning money through blogging is through affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, you promote someone's product and get some commission. Like you promote a product from Amazon and you get some commission for promoting it. You can't get commission just for promoting it. If someone buys that through that link, they will pay. They can track and pay you money, some commission. Like these commissions can vary anywhere between 2%, 3% to 50%, even 60, 70%. So you need to identify products which pay actually bit decent commission when you're trying to pick up a blog topic. That's very, very important. Then apart from this, affiliate and all, now the third thing which is very, very important and very crucial if you're really serious about making money through blogging, I think once you're able to get good readership and all, the best way to earn money is selling your own products. You might be someone who's creating your own products, so you can sell it through your website. You can advertise them through your website. You can sell ebooks. You can sell PDF. You can sell courses. You can sell consultation because you got popular now, so you can sell something because the money whatever you generate is 100% it belongs to you. So through blogging, this way you can actually earn money. And there is also one more way people do is like by having sponsored posts. Like you are writing on travel niche, then Make My Trip can sponsor a post. So you can write about some interesting article and you subtly insert Make My Trip into that. So that way also you can earn money through blogging. There are many other ways also through earn money through blogging, but these are the three things which are very, very common to earn money through blogging. So apart from this, once you know that what it takes to create a blog. Nowadays, creating a blog is not very tough, so it's easier. Then you know how to write, then you know how to get the money and all. So it is almost possible. But in this time, at this point of time, right now I'm recording this video in 2023 July. So things are much different than what were they in 2005 or 2010, etc. So now the blogging is very competitive, and also the people reading blogs has actually reduced because a lot of people consume video content as well. So my suggestion will be, if you want to start a blog, first thing, start a blog on a topic which you're really serious about, you like it, you enjoy it. Even if you don't get money, you'll be able to enjoy it and write and continue with that. That's very, very important. Then one more thing is, you need to also try to create a YouTube channel along with the blog, because it will be easier to get the same content is there. You write it as a blog, then you script it and also do a YouTube video. That way, the same content you can multiply it. Like you can also have presence of YouTube as well as blog, so that slowly your YouTube channel also grows. So for 2023, my advice is you need to combine blogging plus vlogging. We call vlogging, like VLOGING. Whoever is YouTubing, they call it like vlogging. So my best advice is this, but keep in mind that it will take quite enough time, more than a year, to at least earn some basic money like 2000, 3000 rupees even. That's the reality. Very rare case someone may earn money fast. So guys, that's it for today. I want to bust this myth of earning money through blogging very fast. Yeah, some people may claim through blogging you can earn money fast, like you write a blog, have an affiliate link, and you run ads. Again, what happens is, when you have to run ads, then obviously you are spending more money. So it's not that easy. Like people will say this, like, oh, you can't get traffic organically, so you can run ads and all. So either ways, if you're running ads, then you need to spend more money. So then again, it boils down to something like, you have to invest a lot of money to actually earn money online. Then the claims made by gurus and coaches will again become false. So that's what for today. And if you have any doubts about this thing, I know any doubt can be sounding silly or something, but you can ask me. You can write in the comment section, so I can actually I'll be replying to each and every comment you're posting there. So thank you very much. See you again, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can learn tips and start your journey about earning money online. Thank you.